Hey, Jay here with My Tennessee Home Solution, and I'm standing with Jordan, the owner of this home behind me. We actually just purchased it from Jordan, so if you could please talk about your situation.
I had gotten out of the military a couple of years ago and couldn't quite figure out my little niche here in Clarksville, so I decided best course of action was probably to move back home. So I gave My Tennessee Home Solutions a call, and within 45 minutes I was able to get an offer that I couldn't refuse to start a new future, and within that day I was signing documents and I was already packing me and my kids' stuff, so it was great.
Awesome. How would you say your experience was with us?
It was great. I would not have called anybody else every day or night, didn't matter time. I was always given answers. I was reached out to people. They figured out any kind of thing to help me with whatever I needed, and I would definitely recommend for sure. They were great.
Awesome. Thank you. And yeah, like she mentioned, Jordan's a veteran. We love working with other veterans. And if you find yourself in a similar situation, feel free to reach out, give us a call, or go to our website, mytennesseehomesolution.com.
5-star rating.